is dripping. Medyo mahina yung tulo. Hi everyone, this is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Vietnamese coffee, cafe suada or iced milk coffee. Of course, using their coffee press to make it more Vietnamese style. Wow. And their coffee from Vietnam. So what do we need? Of course, coffee. This is Vietnam special. So I bought this from Vietnam. And then we need a condensed milk, ice, hot water, and of course their coffee press. Let's start. Of course, number one, you need to make sure that the coffee press is clean. So wash it first. Let's put condensed milk. About 2 to 3 tablespoons. Depende kasi kung gaano maraming coffee yung gagawin nyo. Just let it drip for a while. And then, about 2 to 3 spoons of coffee. Here, shake it a little just to make it even yung ground sa loob. And then press it using their press. Where's the press? Here. So, press natin siya. This is dripping. Medyo mahina yung tulo. our Vietnamese iced coffee or cafe soda. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like how I made my iced coffee. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!